30-40 pits, put the manure. We are using this compost we prepare with the cow dung and kitchen waste. This is tur dal. We started harvesting. We got some good harvest. We are just drying it and cleaning it up. Most of the plants, the fruit trees and all which we planted, the saplings, has established because of good rain. Very pleasant. 3-4 months in a year would be very tough. Summertime. Otherwise, it's like really very pleasant. It was raining these days and it was good. Now it's not raining. Bit cloudy. Not bit cloudy. Clouds are moving so fast, right? That's a ginger farm. They are using this sprinklers. It's actually ready. The ginger is ready, but they are not taking it out because the prices are very less. Again, another lockdown coming, it seems. Some different variant, South African variant has come in. We don't know. See this? See, this is tur dal. This is not how we see or we buy from the market. Now this has to be sort of dried up, and this is the. Now this is the raw one. Usually what we do is we'll dry it up, we'll peel it, and then it's like cut. That's how we get this. This is a sambar dal actually. This can be made into curry even in this raw stage also. I like to eat it raw. Now there are more travel restrictions from yesterday. People traveling to Kerala, international travelers have to quarantine, and anybody traveling from Kerala and Maharashtra to Karnataka needs to quarantine because of the this variant. Now again I fear that these lockdowns may come and again we'll have trouble traveling, and I don't know, even if the businesses are told to close, it's going to be really tough time. So, planting the banana. ಇದು ಏನು ಟೈಪ್ ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು? ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ. We got it from the same village here locally. ಎಲ್ಲ ಏಲಕ್ಕಿನಾ? ಏಲಕ್ಕಿನೇ. This is tapioca. It's ready. Yesterday we harvested some tapioca, around 3-4 kg I think, in a plant. It's quite good harvest. It's hardly, we I think did it in this is sapota coming up. It's breakfast time for Laila and Max. Laila, venda eranganda, kadiki. See, she likes this ragi kanji, and we give them ragi at least once a day. That's the secret of their health. Laila is hi Laila. Inda kadiki. I'll meet Max. Max is a bit depressed for the reason that he's not growing tall like Laila. Hi Max, but he is a fast eater. We have fixed these small taps for the tanks here. You can use it for general purposes. The main tank comes here and it's like this. It's the angle that they have fixed. The solar panel things are not yet ready because I told you about the accident which happened. The main person who has to finally connect and activate is like on bed. Very sad thing. He has some really bad injury and he has been told to not to move for next 1 or 2 months. He is trying to arrange somebody who could come and do it. I am also not pressurizing him because of the situation. He is also in bad situation, and it's not very critical also. We can wait for some more days. Let's see. And beef curry. These days we have very less vegetables in the farm because of the rain. Most of the vegetables got damaged. Even the greens which we did got damaged. Today was a completely different breakfast for me. I usually don't take rice for breakfast. So I had some vegetable rice, some white rice and meat curry. Really good, all village style. The vegetable rice was very good. Got some sun after a long time, putting everything to dry. These are all harvests which we had done maybe months back, but we couldn't dry it up because of heavy rains, and now it's still cloudy but better, able to see some blue sky. Hopefully it doesn't rain for at least 1 or 2 days. It should rain. The rain is always good for the plants and agriculture. Too much of rain spoils many things. Now the next task is to harvest the paddy. It's getting ready. Maybe after 1 week of sun we would be able to start the harvest for paddy. This is long beans which we were using a lot. We got really good harvest. We are planning. We are getting the seeds. Actually, it's dried up. And this is a tur dal. This is groundnut. Groundnut also we got some good harvest. And this is the cowpea. We will dry it and keep it. We can use it. It can be there for months. A cup of tea is very much important for this climate.